Our next award is the Excellence in Patient Safety Award, which recognizes individuals and teams that are committed to improving patient safety through the healthcare environment, through leadership, culture, best practices, innovation, and change management expertise. Ce prix rend hommage aux individus ou aux équipes qui se sont engagés à améliorer la sécurité des patients dans le milieu de la santé par le leadership, la culture, les pratiques exemplaires, l'innovation et les compétences en matière de gestion du changement. Our sincere thanks to BD Canada for sponsoring and supporting this award.
BD is a leader in patient and healthcare worker safety, and we partner with organizations around the world to address some of the most challenging global health issues, like medication safety, infection prevention, and antimicrobial resistance. BD is a proud sponsor of the College's Excellence in Patient Safety Award. We are delighted to honor a hospital where technology is being leveraged to achieve high reliability and to consistently deliver the safest and highest quality care. One of the most profound technological advancements that our award recipient has implemented to advance patient safety is the closed-loop medication system. I am pleased to announce Humber River Hospital as the recipient of this year's award. Congratulations. What does it mean to you to have won this award?
Well, we are thrilled with this award at Humber River. As North America's first fully digital hospital, we've been on a journey since we began designing the hospital almost 10 years ago. We've been on a journey of leveraging technology, lean, green, digital processes to achieve high reliability as a key strategic direction for the organization. That is to consistently deliver the safest, highest quality care. One of the most profound technological advancements Humber has implemented to advance its safety agenda is this closed-loop medication system. The details regarding our journey and 5 years of data to evaluate our outcomes has really demonstrated to all of us the adoption of the closed-loop medication system at Humber has prevented hundreds of medication errors and improved the safety practice in the environment. Validation by the Canadian College of Healthcare Leaders by providing Humber with the Excellence of the Patient Safety Award recognizes our innovation and our commitment to high reliability, and the team very much values that recognition.
Congratulations once again, Barb. Do you have any closing remarks you'd like to share with us?
Well, I'd just like to say that these journeys take a lot of people and a lot of time and a committed team. And so my thanks, first of all, to the team at Humber River Hospital who had the desire to try to resolve issues, hundreds of people that came together collectively from pharmacy and patient care and physicians and the IT group and the process engineers who worked together with a belief that they could improve patient safety using this system, and they have done so, and having their work recognized is very important to them. And then we will thank our industry partners who also helped us develop prepackaged drug systems, robotic systems that allow us to label the drugs, robots to deliver the drugs to the patient care unit. Not only is it a safer, it's also a more efficient system. And so I thank all of the people that came together and are still committed to improving our safety every day.